In this video, I'll be showing the exact methods creators use to get a clean audio without a mic or an headset. If you are still saving up for a mic, you can just use this method before you can get yourself a good mic. This is my audio without this method, and this is my audio using this exact method. The tool we are using for this is Adobe Podcast. So you're going to run over to your browser and type podcast.adobe.com. When you get to the home page, you scroll down a little bit and you click on Enhance Speech, and that will take you to the sign up page. Now you have to sign up in order to use this tool. After signing up, you'll discover that a dashboard is opened for you to upload your files. You can see that I tried uploading the video directly, but it asked me to upgrade. What this means is that you have to be subscribed to their platform before they can allow you to directly enhance your video. So a way to do it if you are not subscribed is to convert your video to audio before going back to enhance it. So we are going to go to freeconvert.com and convert our video to audio, and then come back to enhance it using Adobe Podcast. Now that our video has been converted to audio, we can just upload it directly to Adobe and watch it enhance the speech. So it takes a matter of minutes depending on the length of the audio for it to be enhanced. You can just wait for some time and allow it to finish processing. After processing, you can see that you can toggle between your original version and the enhanced version, so that you see the difference that was made. If you find tips like this helpful, subscribe so you get to know when I upload videos. But for now, I have a playlist that was dedicated especially for people that create content on a daily basis. So whether you have audio issues, video issues, just stick around so that whenever I update the playlist, you get to see it and you get to benefit from it as well.